am Isaka. I have my new creation. It's a table saw. This is just a big mold. Look at this. It can open too. Look at this mold. It's so giant and it's 775 mold and it's 12 volts, not 24 volts. So I will close it and look at this. On this we have a angle grinder. This is it's a eye grinder. So I just give it this. Not for a line don't turn too much from the line, and this is only for a cardboard on or this. And I use a battery, and I got 2 USB cable because it attached to the 2 battery and only one switch. It's 12 volts or 24 volts. Now let's see. It can cut through the wood.
Be careful your finger.
Yes, it's not a problem. Look at this. Again.
Be careful your finger, okay?
Okay. The sound is so loud. Let's try 2 wood.
That is too hard, too hard. Be careful your finger. Be careful.
To make your hands still on the earth. So
Be careful your finger. I'm afraid with your finger. Please make far. Okay, finish, I think.
so that's all. Thank you.